Hey guys, so we're getting closer and closer to the finish of this course. In this video, we're going to discuss the system settings. Now these settings include time frame, stops and targets, and all that jazz. Okay, so let's get started. So this entire system is based off a 1500 tick ES chart. And this works for any contract that you go from here onwards, and that we backtested as well. Our trading time is between 8:30 a.m. Central US time, and you've got to make sure that's Central, you've got to adjust for the time difference, all the way to 1 p.m. Central US time. So we're actually trading 4.5 hours per day. So now let's get into the stops and targets. First, we're going to discuss the stops because those are always most important. So our stop loss, if we're long, our stop loss is 4 ticks below the signal candle. So the candle that gives us the signal, normally it's one candle before the candle that we actually entered from. Okay, so that's 4 ticks below that. For a short, it's 4 ticks above the high of the previous candle, all right? So that's the previous candle is the signal candle. Okay, now we have one other rule for this. If the stop loss is less than 6 ticks, so if it's 5 ticks, for example, or 4, then we must use the candle previous to the signal candle to place our stops above. So we got to make sure that our stop loss is never less than 6 ticks. That goes vice versa for the long, where you place your stop below the previous candle to the signal candle, and you got to make sure that it's more or equal to 6 ticks. Now for the targets. For this system, we use 3 targets, right? Target 1 is a 1-to-1 stop to target ratio. Target 2 is a 2-to-1 stop to target ratio. And target 3 is a 3-to-1 stop to target ratio. Now, how do you find this ratio? Well, first of all, you grab the distance in between your entry and your stop. So let's say it's 12 ticks, right? We grab that distance, and our target 1 is 12 ticks from our entry. Our target 2 is 24 ticks from our entry, and our target 3 is 36 ticks from our entry. So that's how you calculate the ratios for the targets. Now some trade management stuff. Once we hit our target 1, we move our stop loss to break even for target 2 and target 3 because we want to cover open position profit. So we already made profit, we don't want to lose it, so we move our stop loss to break even. So we only lose out on commission. That's very, very important. Thanks for watching this video. To grab the complete Ray trading plan, head to the link below this video. You can download it from there. It's got everything that you need. It's got print screens. It's got all the rules that I just spoke about. So once you read that, you will be able to completely and utterly trade the Ray trading system. Now, in the next video, we're going to cover the backtesting, how we did it, and how you can look through your chart to actually verify our backtesting. So you got to make sure that all the trades are there, they're correct. And we'll go through that in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like its content, then please hit the like and subscribe buttons on YouTube, share it to your social media, follow us on social media, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome rest of your day until then.